Alright, this is 1024 South Duncan Ave. And we just got done jetting, which is why the pipe is a little foggy, if you will. But what we're going to do is run through here and take a look at how the pipe looks after jetting. Probably what I'll end up doing is I'll go in and run some water on the back side of the house so we can check the flow, which should help clear up the camera head, and then we'll inspect all the way back. So that looks like a fitting right there.
Going up in there very easily, or not?
I'm looking up at the bottom of a toilet.
Oh, nice.
So we need to go inside and flush both toilets so I can see.
How far are you in? Pretty far?
25 feet.
Oh, okay.
But it's kind of foggy from the jetting, so I need to be able to see what's going on. Yeah. Pipe looks much better. There we go. Beautiful. I want to see good flow coming all the way at us.
See me close to the toilet?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks good. I got good flow coming at me.
Good.
I don't see any now that I can see. You know, I'm standing underwater.
The water gets some of that mist going away too.
Yeah,
now
now
it gets air movement through there.
Now I can see clear, man. I just want to make sure all the debris is gone.
Vent pipe. Well, and it shouldn't hurt it to be capped right now, right?
It's still draining. I just want to make sure we got all the crazy debris out.
Who needs a vent pipe open in a house anyway?
There's still like a tiny little bit in here.
Oh, really?
I mean, tiny, just like speckles.
Oh, little flakes?
I mean, the tiniest itty bitty little flakes.
Well, what are you going to do about that?
I think it looks great, dude. I mean, if it needed it, I'd do it again. But we just hit it probably 7 to 10 times.
Yeah, you worked the living shit out of it, bro.
No, dude, it looks good. We got... Yeah, this looks good. All right, I want to take a look at that main. So what it is in here it goes 22 feet and then it's a Y. So the left side goes all the way back to the back bathrooms, and then the right side, I don't know if that's where it trails over to that laundry.
Yeah,
that would be my guess.
Yep, it does.
But I know we got all the way in both sides. It looks really good, dude. It looks awesome. Let's take a look at this terracotta. This seems to be draining slow going this way for some reason.
Sure.
Yeah, I can't even see it. Oh, now I can. There's roots.
Oh, I'm sure. That's where we're putting the clean out in.
There's roots.
We thought we saw roots.
Roots. Let's go to the next joint.
Roots. Yeah, we saw roots.
Is he going to replace the sewer?
Well, we don't know. That's their decision.
Big lump of toilet paper. A big, huge clump of it. See how far I can push it. It's either that or a number 2. It's a big one. We're still pushing it. You know it's big when you can push it with a camera. More roots.
Yeah, we told them there was roots. We could only get so far because we were down the toilet, you know?
More roots. There's roots almost at every joint.
You're recording this, right?
Yeah, it's recording our voices too.
Cool.
Yeah, so now I'm headed down to the tap.
We
Roots.
need to know where that is, too.
I'll locate the tap in case, because if they're remodeling, man, this main's going to be a problem. Roots. More roots. That might be the tap right there. Well, the tap's going to be terracotta too, isn't it?
Yeah, but you would think you would see where it dumps into the sewer. How far are you now?
70 feet.
Jesus Christ, you got easily 70 feet in. I mean, sorry, you were easily near the road, right? That's pretty close.
It's got to be right here. Yeah, I think that's it right there. Yeah, I'm in 6-inch now.
Okay. How can you go?
Because I can see the diameter of the pipe.
Should have made you a better ledge there.
Alright, so I marked this spot, which is actually under the driveway.
Which one is this? Is this a different one than the dot you just did?
I'm just adding to the video I already made.
Are you going to do like each spot you see for a mark? No, that would be easier for you.
Dude, it's terracotta every joint. I would replace the sewer. I didn't see any at that joint. I got roots at that joint, so 65 feet. I got roots at the next joint, 61 feet.
Every 4 feet.
I got roots at that joint, 56 feet. I mean, the pipe looks good. I got roots at this joint, 52 feet. Pipe itself looks awesome. I got roots at this joint. There'll be flags everywhere, man. I got roots at that joint. I got bad roots at 48 feet. Yeah, real bad. Looks like somebody's probably put a cutter head or something through there.
Yeah,
I got bad again at 40 feet. It needs replaced, dude. I can send him the video. Roots at 36 feet. $31 feet, not terrible. $27 feet, not terrible. $20 feet, roots. 15 feet, roots. So there's like 3 connections where I have not seen roots. Bad roots at 11 feet. Real bad roots at 7 feet. Only about a hole this big. Right here. Yeah. The whole top half of the pipe is roots. Two feet, about a quarter of the pipe. And I'm right here. So everything under the house is clean, jetted, beautiful. But you got roots in almost every joint in the terracotta.